Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this look. If you want to see how I achieved it, please continue watching. So I already did my base. I primed with the Cover FX blurring primer, and then I went ahead and did my brows, and I used the NYX brow pencil in ash brown. So I'm going to start off with my base. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in 190. I'm going to take 2 pumps onto my hand and blend it out. I try not to pack too much on my smile lines because then it looks super cakey and then they crease a lot faster too. Okay, so we're going to conceal with the Fenty Beauty concealer, also in 190. And I'm just going to take one side and put it under my eyes. And I'm not going to dip again, I just take the other side. Because I don't want it to be too heavy. Fenty concealers are really good coverage. They're not too full, but they're going to cover your dark circles for sure. Alright, once that's been blended out 100,000 times, I'm going to take the Airspun translucent powder, or actually naturally neutral powder, to set my concealer. Just take your beauty blender again and blow off any excess powder. I love the smell of Airspun. Oh my god. It smells like peachy. Fresh. So I'm gonna dust off any excess powder. So for bronzer today, we're gonna be doing the Tarte Clay Play palette. I'm gonna be mixing these 2 shades. One is more of a warm tone, one is more of a cool tone. So I'm gonna mix them so I can get a deeper bronze shade. Kind of just have to pack it a couple times to get the right shade that you want. I'm just going to take some on my forehead. I'm going to go in with the first shade to contour my nose. Again, same technique as last time. Move on to blending. Want that shade snapped. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Blush Trio in Peachy Love. I'm going to go in with these 2 shades. I'm going to mix them. Just blend it in with your contour as well. The dog's snoring in the... You're right there. Sweetheart. Oh, sorry, girl. Highlight time. We're gonna be highlighting with my favorite highlighter. This is the Rodeo Tribe. And it's my favorite. And I can't stop using it because it's beautiful. Like, this glow is crazy. Just beautiful. I put it on my cheekbone because when you take pictures and you're like looking forward, the highlight here will pop more than this highlight. Unless you're close. I could live with just this highlighter, to be honest with you. Just give me this for the rest of my life and I'm fine. These nails won't that. Beautiful. This highlight is crazy. So I'm gonna prime my lids with the Better Skin concealer. This is just the drugstore concealer. You can choose to set your eyes if you want, but I think it's better if you don't because your eyeshadows come out more vibrant when your eyelids aren't set. So if you just put it on top of the concealer, they come out a lot better. So I'm going to be using two palettes today, but we're going to start off with the 35O palette from Morphe. I'm going to use this as my transitioning shade. And these are the Makeup Shack brushes that I'm using, and they're my favorite. Alongside Morphe. I'm going to go in with this tan brown shade that's right next to the transition shade. And I'm going to put this in my crease. And I just kind of blend it up. Just blending it out. There's no patchiness. I'm going to be using the Fenty Moroccan Spice palette. I'm going to go in with this brown shade, which is called Hennessy. And I'm going to pack it on this outer corner and a little bit in the crease as well. Bring it into your inner corner. Just blend it out. And to deepen it, I'm going to go in with another layer. This is one of those looks that you kind of have to go back and forth with. Just go back, blend, add color where you need it. So I think I want to make the brown a little bit more warm tone because I feel like this brown is pretty cool. Anyways, I'm going to use this shade from the 35O palette. The middle shade, and honestly I just use the same brush for everything. I'm going to put it right on top of the Hennessy color. This is like my go-to look. I love doing browns and copper tones, warm tones. So now that I packed on the dark brown tones, I'm going to go back in with the transition shade and go from the middle and just kind of blend everything out. You want to be able to see all the tones that you used. And I personally like bringing it right under my brow. I just have a lot of lid space, so I use it. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and go in with, I think I want to do Casablanca. I'm going to do this color right here. That is Casablanca. And I'm going to put it on dry, meaning I'm not wetting the brush or the product. And I'm going to take it in the middle and blend it up. Yeah. It's a really soft glitter. And I'm focusing it on the center, but it's okay if it kind of gets to the outer and inner corner. I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Cream Palette. This is Chocolate Shake. And a lot of chocolate shakes. And I'm just going to kind of go over the glitter I already put on. This is kind of just going to make it pop more. So we're just going to be taking the same shades, and everything we did on the top, I'm going to just do it on the bottom. So I'm going to take like a pointy brush. This is a Morphe brush. Mix in the two deep shades and put it right under it. Now I'm going to go in with the transition shade and just kind of blow out this. So for the inner corner highlight and the brow bone highlight, I'm just going to go back in with the Rodeo Drive. Take a little pointer. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop on some lashes now and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just popped on some lashes. I put on Dubai from the Makeup Shack. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. So I'm gonna be lining my lips with Jaune Bleu in Spice. Oh, French. I'm going to be using a MAC lipstick in shade Yash. Recently I've been into bullet lipsticks more than liquid. One, I find them more hydrating, I don't know why, and two, I think they last a lot longer. Okay, so I'm going to set my face using the Joa Selfie Ready Matte Setting Spray. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Comment what you think of this video down below, and I'll see you in the next one. So nasty, girl. You so nasty, girl. I'm a nasty. I'm tired. Yeah, let me go.